Membership services need to provide members with valuable benefits that they can't get anywhere else. Communication and creativity are the keys to making sure these services lead to high retention rates and attract new members. A good place to start is by identifying groups within your membership and finding out if they have specific needs you could be addressing.
Most organizations, have military membership, but a lot of times they're not really sure what is their role other than, it's individuals that can attend your meeting, usually at a reduced price. What we've done is create a membership work team that really helped us identify how we could really support each other.
Helping these groups might be as basic as creating online spaces where they can connect with one another for support. You could also make use of their skill set to benefit other members.
We've worked with our military members who actually helped us create a mass casualty incident at our annual conference. So we had a scenario of an active shooter where we had actual patients, actors moulaged as patients that were in all levels of critical trauma, and we called on some of the attendees to help with the scenario.
You don't need to get your hands dirty to add value to your association's membership, although sometimes you might need to jump into something you're not familiar with.
So we started about 5 years ago a weekly webinar program, and at that time we had limited resources. We didn't really understand the whole webinar platform yet. We learned it as we went along, and we found though that people appreciated being able to sit in their own office or have a group of people in their own training center or meeting room that could get education without having to send them outside of the facility.
Being in communication with members means that you'll know when you're not meeting their needs, and you'll have a clear picture of what they want to get out of the membership. Without this information, you could be missing out on some simple ways to make members happy, and you could also be offering services that aren't necessarily important to them.
We want our members to be very involved in the planning of our educational programs because the success of the program depends on them participating. And what we have done is we've tried to stay connected with our members, and we've blended this with our membership recruitment and retention strategy in that we reach out to members and call them about 3 times per year.
Being in direct contact with members also adds a personal touch. It gives them a specific person at the association who they can get to know and who they can contact directly if they have questions, concerns, or suggestions. In summary, here's a few simple steps to ensure you're providing members with valuable services. Identify specific groups, use member skills, try new things, stay in touch, and make it personal. For more information on ways to increase the value of a membership to your association, visit associationsnow.com.